Hello everyone. Today, I will demonstrate a chunky winter knit with beautiful braids formed by crossed long loops. The scheme consists of 2 rows and 7 loops, 5 in the knit column and 2 for a divider. Begin by casting on several stitches that are a multiple of 7 plus 2 for symmetry and 2 edge loops. Row 1 wrong side, slip the edge loop first. The repeat pattern begins with knit 2. Then, purl 5 and add a yarn over loop to each to create long loops on the next row. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over. Again, knit 2. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over. Finish the row by knitting 2 symmetry loops out of the scheme. Row 2 right side, slip the edge loop first. To begin the pattern, purl 2. Then form 2 long loops. Drop the yarn over stitches. Return the loops to the left hook. Pass the second loop over the first. And knit them through the front and the back. Slip the middle loop without knitting and drop the yarn over loop. Next, form 2 long loops again. Drop the yarn over stitches. Pass the first loop over the second. And knit them through the front and the back. Again, purl 2. Drop the yarn over stitches. Return the loops to the left hook. Pass the second loop over the first. And knit them. Slip the middle loop and drop the yarn over. Next, form 2 long loops again. Drop the yarn over stitches. Pass the first loop over the second. And knit them through the front and the back. Purl 2 loops out of the scheme to finish the row. This technique will result in a unique, volumetric knitted fabric that is suitable for heavy winter sweaters. It can be used as a basic pattern or to decorate the garment with 1 or 2 stripes on the fronts of the sweater or in the middle of the sleeves along the whole length. If you found this video useful, I would greatly appreciate it if you could click the thumbs up button to show your support. Your feedback helps me create more content that you love. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By enabling notifications, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos, ensuring you never miss out on any exciting updates or tutorials. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon to see my knit creations. Whether you're looking for something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm sure you'll love. Thank you so much for being a part of the people who watched my channel. I truly appreciate your support, and I can't wait to see you again soon.